Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, alam mo ba, alam mo ba? Magandang araw, kamusta po kayo? Ako po si Darna, ang host at creator ng Buhay Tuklas. Samahan niyo po ako sa mga pagtuklas at pagpapakilala at dagdag kaalaman para sa inyong mga manunood ng YouTube video. Nais kong makapagbigay ng saya at konting kaalaman sa inyo bilang isang tagalikha. Halina't samahan niyo ako sa isa na namang pagtuklas at pagpapakilala at ating alamin ang pinagmulan. Ika-22 ng Marso, hindi birthday ni Aguinaldo, kailan ba talaga? Kamakailan lamang tinuwid di umano ng National Historical Commission of the Philippines ang birthdate ni Juan Luna, kailan naman kaya nila itutuwid ang birthdate ni Aguinaldo? Batay kasi sa kanyang baptismal certificate, hindi ika-22 ng Marso ang petsa ng kanyang kapanganakan. Translation by Alfredo Solo. On the 29th of March 1869, in this parochial church of KV El Viejo, I, Free, Andres Galdino of Santa Ana, Agustin Inan Descalzo, parish priest of the town, solemnly baptized and placed the holy oil on a boy 3 days old whom I named Emilio Aguinaldo, Mestizo Sangley, son of legitimate marriage of D. Carlos Aguinaldo and Da. Trinidad family, paternal grandparents D. Eugenio and Da. Maria Jimir, maternal grandparents D. Joaquin and Da. Simona Villanueva of the town's barangay number 28 of D. Remigio Jimir, godfather of the presbyter D. Anacleto Santa Rita, who was advised of his spiritual relationship and other obligations. In evidence thereof I am affixing my signature as follows. 3. Andres Galdino. If the infant Emilio was 3 days old when he was baptized on March 29, as stated in the baptismal entry, and as was the normal age at which children were baptized in the Christian Church, then there is no question that he was born on March 26, not March 22, as popularly accepted today. According to Major Liberato C. Jimenez, Coit's local historian, avers that in a court of law the written evidence in the form of a baptismal certificate duly signed by the parish would be given more weight than the testimonial of General Emilio Aguinaldo himself. He favors the retention of March 26 as the General's birthday. Source: Sol. Alfredo B. 1983, Emilio Aguinaldo, Generalissimo and President of the First Philippine Republic, First Republic Asia Papi. 54 hanggang 55. Document source, Historic San Mateo. Mag-subscribe sa aming channel para sa higit pang nakakangganyo na makasaysayang nilalaman at tiyaking pindutin ang notification bell upang hindi makaligtaan ang isang update. I-like, ibahagi, at iwanan ang iyong mga saloobin sa seksyon ng mga komento sa ibaba. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa nakakapagpapaliwanag na paglalakbay na ito. Hanggang dito na lang mga katuklas ko at umaasa po ako na napasaya ko kayo at nakapagbigay ako ng konting kaalaman. Kung nagustuhan po ninyo ang content, inaanyayahan ko po kayo na mag-subscribe at hit the notification bell para sa mga bagong video na aking ilalabas at paki-like na rin po ang video bilang tulong at pagsuporta sa Buhay Tuklas. Maraming salamat po and God bless. Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, alam mo ba, alam mo ba?